The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Seng index with the ticker symbol HSI. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it's been a while since I've looked at the Seng index. I think it's been about a year. And also, I'm kind of trying to move my channel more towards Chinese sector because, it's not really covered that much. And it'd be nice to, take the dominance in that niche. So maybe if you guys like these weekly Seng index updates, maybe I can start doing it after my SPY updates, and Sunday could be the index day. So let me know in the comments down below. But let's take a look at the HSI and let's go over the chart. So basically, there is definitely some resistance at this 22.4 level. Again, these are in thousands, so 22,400. So 22.4 or 224 is acting as resistance. It looks like the 1819 is acting as support. Basically, price were sideways, broke out, made a massive reversal, symmetrical reversal up. Obviously, it's not going to continue moving in that fashion. It's going to see a break of the channel or a correction. So we had this uptrend channel in play. Prices made a move down right here. It broke outside this channel, and usually we get 2 attempts at a new low. So prices broke the channel, made 1 attempt at exceeding this low, and it already completed that, and now price is pulling back, and it could be in the formation of the second attempt. So the second attempt is targeting the 18.7 level, but there's a good chance it could fail because, again, just like on the downside, prices broke outside the channel. It made 2 attempts at a new low. Prices have yet to make a new high yet, and we only saw pretty much 1 attempt from the bulls. So this was 1 attempt from the bulls of making a new high. So the second attempt could start right here. I'm not saying it is going to start from here because this downward measure move is still in play, but let's just say this is the bottom. The prices could be targeting the 21.5 level. We'll have to wait and see, but as right now, it looks bullish. Prices made a very large move down, made a lot of buying came back to the market to drive prices back up. Once it gets past this 22.5 level, we're probably off to the races. But as right now, prices are correcting, starting to go sideways. Is there some indecision in the market? I think if we see a short trap, maybe a drop, I think that can lend prices to seeing, a couple of rushes up really quickly. So that's how I'm looking at it. Basically, we had a downtrend break, 1 attempt at a new low. Prices pull back. It's in the formation of the second attempt. If this second attempt fails anywhere, or even if it completes the measurement target, there's a good chance we pretty much see large moves up to retest the previous highs. Right now, it's looking bullish, and I'll be expecting this downward move to end anytime now for prices to start correcting upwards. So that's everything I have on the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for HSI. I'm going to zoom out, and you can see that this trend line pretty much since 1989 has been in play, and you can see that every time prices come to it, it makes a bottom. So it bottomed right here in 1998, it bottomed here in 03, bottomed here in 09, and again we just came back to that trend line. We did break it, but again, it's not going to be a perfect bounce off that level. It's okay to break it. So now we're back above inside the channel, and prices are wanting to rocket out higher. So we did have this previous downtrend in play right over here, but the thing about this downtrend is that it had an overshoot. So overshoots are climactic points, kind of like a capitulation, meaning the shorts could be just given it all, and then it's over. So we had that capitulation occur, and we saw a massive run up. So now the shorts are trying to come back to this low point in the form of 2 attempts. So this was the first move down. Prices pull back. It is currently in the formation of the second attempt. Maybe we go a little bit more higher and then we get the second attempt. But either way, this chart is looking bullish. I like how we came back above the support and we're holding above it, at that 19 level, 19.2 level. It is acting as support. We saw a huge move up from the bulls. When this correction ends, we can get possible another move up about the same size. So let's say, prices could be targeting, the mid 20,000s. So right now, prices had to move down. It's going sideways. We could see another move down. I'm expecting that move down to fail because of the bullish bias on this chart, and that when that occurs, we could see another leg up about the same size as this impulse. So that's how I'm looking at the HSI. It's probably gonna be more clear in the next coming weeks, but as right now, it's looking bullish, and I'm looking for those higher price targets. But in the short term, we could see continuation to the downside, but medium to long term, this is looking pretty good. So that's all I have for HSI this week, Sunday, and I could possibly see you guys next week, Sunday, if you guys let me know in the comments down below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.